Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a listen and have a look at the boot up sound of Windows XP computer running on the HP compact computer right here. This is quite an old computer, maybe 13-14 years old now. So let's restart the computer or boot up the computer and have a listen to the Windows XP boot up sound. Okay, here I'm going to press on the power button to start it. Okay, and the computer is now booting up. So we'll just wait for it to boot up right now. Okay, Windows is starting up. So we'll click on the username. And that's it. That's the boot up sound on the Windows XP. Okay, that's it guys. Thank you for watching this video. This is subscribe to my channel for more videos.